Everyone, my name is Shomesh Tiwari and welcome back to my another DSA question, which is hollow star pattern. So today I will teach you how to create a hollow star pattern. So let's start. So first we create a variable name n equal to 5, and here for loop we use for loop. Let I equal to from 1, initial value is from 1, and I is smaller than and equal to n, and I increase, I increment, here I use the increment operator, and here I create another variable which is row equal to empty string, and here this is the inner loop. This loop is draw a column. So let j equal to from I, and j j equal to n I sorry j plus plus. So and here row equal to row. I'm not a expert. I'm teaching you and learn with you. Learn with you. So one mistake is, firstly we draw a square pattern. So here I start from 1 and draw a star, and here I concate empty string. So console.log row. Let's check what is the output. So this is the output. Now we will do here, we will draw only this line, this line, this line, and this line, and and between of these line we only draw this line, this line, this line, and this line, and except all these we remove these star. So here we put one condition. So here I cut, and here I put one condition. If I equal to 1, and this is print that line. I will show you. So else else paste. So let's check what is the output. So this is print only the row, है ना? Yes, is the row. And now I we are trying to draw fifth line, fifth row. So let's do. Here we use our operator I equal to 1, and from in another I equal to 5. Now this print 1 2 3 4 5. This print that star. So let's check. So this is that. This is the first line, and this is the fifth line. Now we print that line and that line. So here we use or operator also, and j equal to I. Let's check. So this is the output. Now only this line is remaining. So if the j equal to 1 is print this line, so j equal to 5 is print this line. So let's check, is this true or false. So j equal to 5. Let's check what is the output. So finally we draw a hollow star pattern. So this is a very important and interview ask question. So be prepared and try to understand a logic, not only learn a code. Try to understand a logic. So do practice and do practice. Never give up. So if you like this code or like this logic, so like my channel, subscribe and comment below. Thank you for watching my video.